All right, so I just picked up something cool. Might be a hot ticket item for the holidays. Let me show you. Pretty cool. So these smart glasses come in a case that looks like traditional Ray-Ban glass cases, but look, there's a charging port at the bottom. Yep, these are the Meta smart glasses. And for my age, I needed progressive, which are the new version of bifocals, just so you don't see the line in them. But oh, that's nice. I can see. That's gonna be the side that has the camera. That's gonna be the side that has the warning light. So folks know when I'm in recording mode. Voice activated, sound through the arms of the sunglasses. These are also transitions, so you might see them already turning a little bit brown. Let's try them out. Let's see if they do actually change when I'm in the sunlight. There we go. Cool. They look like normal sunglasses. That's what's so cool about this. Follow me if you're interested in this tech. Follow me if you're interested in this as a potential gift during the holidays, and I'll give you the lowdown once I get a chance to test all the features. All right. See y'all. Bye. All right, fine, thank you. Yes. Okay. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Hello. Yes. Yes. 20-piece nuggets, right? Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.